T-Mobile Gateway Error Code 1200 signals an authentication failure, preventing your gateway from connecting to T-Mobile's network. This isn't a hardware failure, but a handshake problem often linked to your SIM card or account settings. Common causes include incorrect login credentials, outdated gateway firmware, a weak 5G signal, or unpaid bills. New subscribers, or those in rural areas with intermittent coverage, are more prone to this issue. As of October 2025, T-Mobile has largely addressed this through firmware updates, particularly for Arcadian-branded gateways. Understanding this error as an authentication problem is the first step to resolving it. First, power cycle your gateway. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then restart. This often resolves the issue. Second, check your credentials. Verify your login details in the T-Mobile app or web portal, reset your password if needed, and enable two-factor authentication. Third, update your firmware. Manually check for updates in the gateway's admin panel, usually accessible via 192.168.12.1. Fourth, check your SIM card. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Contact T-Mobile support for a replacement if problems persist. Finally, perform network diagnostics. Use the T-Mobile app to confirm 5G availability and relocate the gateway if the signal is weak. T-Mobile's support portal also features a smart troubleshooter for real-time diagnostics.